Hello friends, today we will learn about community helpers. Are you ready? Let's start.
Firefighter. Firefighter. A firefighter puts out fires and saves people. Firefighter.
Police officer. Police officer. A police officer keeps the community safe. Police officer.
Doctor. Doctor. A doctor helps sick people get better. Doctor.
Nurse. Nurse. A nurse takes care of patients. Nurse.
Teacher. Teacher. A teacher helps students learn new things. Teacher.
Dentist. Dentist. A dentist takes care of our teeth. Dentist.
Paramedic. Paramedic. A paramedic helps people in emergencies. Paramedic.
Mail carrier. Mail carrier. A mail carrier delivers letters and packages. Mail carrier.
Farmer. Farmer. A farmer grows food for everyone. Farmer.
Chef. Chef. A chef cooks meals for people. Chef.
Librarian. Librarian. A librarian helps us find books and learn. Librarian.
Bus driver. Bus driver. A bus driver takes people where they need to go. Bus driver.
Construction worker. Construction worker. A construction worker builds roads and buildings. Construction worker.
Mechanic. Mechanic. A mechanic fixes cars and trucks. Mechanic.
Sanitation worker. Sanitation worker. A sanitation worker collects trash to keep the community clean. Sanitation worker.
Soldier. Soldier. A soldier protects the country and keeps people safe. Soldier.
Shopkeeper. Shopkeeper. A shopkeeper sells goods and helps customers. Shopkeeper.
Crossing guard. Crossing guard. A crossing guard helps children cross the street safely. Crossing guard.
Plumber. Plumber. A plumber fixes pipes and water problems. Plumber.
Electrician. Electrician. An electrician fixes electrical problems in homes and buildings. Electrician.